Over 200 Jamaicans received national honors and awards on Heroes Day.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Just over 200 Jamaicans were recognized at the 2018 National Honors and Awards ceremony at King's House. Among the awardees were actress Grace Jones, singer and actor Harry Belafonte, national swimmer Alia Atkinson, and retired Deputy Commissioner of Police Novlet Grant. More than a dozen Jamaicans were acknowledged for their gallantry and several others for their prowess in sports and the arts. Jamaica celebrated its heroes past and present with national awards and honors at King's House on Monday, October 15. 13 members of the Jamaica Defence Force, 21 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and 14 members of the Jamaica Fire Brigade were conferred with the Medal of Honor for meritorious service. Retired Deputy Commissioner of Police Novlet Grant received the Order of Distinction in the rank of Officer Class for sterling contribution to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Additionally, Corporals Malachi Davis and Omar Wilson of the Jamaica Defence Force and Inspector Alison Grant Johnson of the Jamaica Constabulary Force received the Medal of Honor for gallantry. But at the top of this year's list was world-famous actor, singer, songwriter, and social activist Harry Belafonte, who was the sole awardee in 2018 to receive the Order of Merit, OM. He is popularly known for his 1950s hit, Banana Boat Song. It is the fourth highest order of the land. Mr. Belafonte earned the award for his outstanding contribution in the field of music. 4 persons were appointed members of the Order of Jamaica, OJ. Among them, Earl Jarrett, CD, for his contribution to the banking and financial sectors, public service and volunteerism, and Grace Jones for her contribution in the field of entertainment internationally. Meanwhile, 31 persons received the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander, CD, and 36 persons received the Order of Distinction, OD, in the rank of officer for outstanding work in various fields. Media personalities, Mr. Walter Bob Clark received the Order of Distinction Officer Class for service to the entertainment industry, especially broadcasting, along with Mr. Dermot Hussey for service to the radio broadcasting and the promotion of Jamaican music. Other awardees include Alia Atkinson, who received the Order of Distinction Commander Class for her stellar accomplishments in the swimming pool. Entertainer Winston Yellowman Foster received the Order of Distinction in the Officer Class for work in the music industry. 19 individuals received the Badge of Honor for meritorious service, while 30 persons received the Badge of Honor for long and faithful service.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.